Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change and customize the background picture of Google Chrome. So first, after you open your browser, you will see here the three dots. You just click here, then you go and select more tools, and here as you can see you will find customize Chrome. You just click here, and as you can see there is the appearance, and here you will find this button change theme. You just select here. You can choose any background here exists by Chrome, or you can just upload any image from your device. So if you have any specific picture of you or of something that you want to be displayed here, you just go click upload an image and you select that image from your device, and that's it. After you just done, as you can see here, for example, let me change, you just close and it will be changed automatically. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.